this year or mama me ma kwaba edeba Adom TV eso you me dia we ni guso ahwe ye Nkuranhyensem na me am tidwo me di dwumadi ho chia me edi am yeso any apostle Dr. Nita Kotegu so frame me Nita Kotegu ka beda wase ma me ni kam mi sa o say won to say Toyota leko fonama yo Toyota why me why bale yo meka kay lafia ko to how are you doing? I thank God for your life. Otwede upon ameda na ase wo de ede ama me no mi enu ayete ase onkoso anhira wo monten so onkoso anhira wa wade so o hira wa busua so simple ade na wusua o hira wa de sua so na so mra mfa so ma wo na busua na empo o hira wo na na wo sori emu esusu enioma ya yo ana ya nyo ya enya nuhu na me goso am no kan ene ba ko ha me no be kan adibu a obeyo ne na ochire wo nuhu and they say you hold on too tight to how things are supposed to be. Oh no, you hold on too tight to how things are supposed to be. You see, you can't lose what you never had. You can't keep what's not yours. And you can't hold on to something that does not want to stay. And idea be intimate and perseverance on so. Where they are the cop. So you're Bema, so you're Ba, so you're Japadie. You see, you can't hold on to what is not yours. And you cannot hold on to the thing that will never stay. But you can drive yourself mad by trying to hold on to these things. It should have been the second essay, the second essay, the second essay, the second essay, the second, and what you need to realize is that most things are only a part of your life because you keep thinking about them. Stop holding on to what hurts and make room for what feels right. And 2 years ago, I said, "Come here, we maintain and he said, "Come worry about my maintain, worry about my and about when I see me and a man penny and as a second, it should have been, and Bubra, because those things are out of your control. What should have? Well, there's a second, there's a demon animal. There's a Kaunian, when today I be a for a sumbo, a sin the Etramoacono. Bema Sekawa and one now, and then I be a yafa de crowd and mona a sumbo amawo. Ababona Sekaobon, one more, and never do Pempesua, Ubuko, Seseka, and Yashe. Jai Sesekanum, Nebis said, then I met him, na Mebra. Do not let what is out of your control interfere with all the things you can control. Yesterday is gone. I should have known. And yet you may be and see, it didn't happen. However, what can you do from today to make sure that you are enjoying the life you have? Amaso. Then I met him ayo. Na nipa ne bubra no odi ne die na wasombo amawo na mabubra no kasapa mu. Say goodbye to what didn't work and so hello to what can work. The atwam no to no nsa bye bye me nua makrawo na fe ji awa 2 de da wani mu no de koneko bye bye enura bye bye sese ka me we ma anyo sese ka me ka we ma anka enti de atwam ko ene de kura me e de na metime ne Ghana sese ka edua no ba bebre ya enua nti na so de sese edua sese ka ye mpani fo hwe gotamu enti de wona anhwemu ene de na sese ye sese hwe gotamu sese ka ye we na anu bi no ya anyo ya de sua de mayen se ene ye betimi ayo no foforo. When you are able to say goodbye to the past, they are open to you a lot of gifts in your present moments. So to be cancer and ra chemuko ne se ka me ya manya ene no ebie kwa ma o enya ne papa fo bebre se ka me ware we oko se ka me nya de we wanya eno ti de na abeye ena wanya nya wo ye no. When some people walk away from you, when some opportunities close their doors on you, there's no need to hold on to them. So nipa bi jawa abrabom se nipa bi go eparewa enyina nka se me na ka se me yesei me na se ka me yesei enti empower by no. If they have closed out, take it as a direct indication that those people, those opportunities are not part of your life. Let them go and create a new chapter of your life. Manentwe munko. Na nye hunu se, ni atwa mu no ekọ. Na ene no, eden na metimi ayo. Na ni ama anyo na nura no, ayeye ne. Kwambe so da betimi akasa. Na ni ama anya na nura no, abamu. Nye hunu se wabra bo nsunso so ye wadwene. Kasa wo kan wadwene proso. Enti koso na kansempa. Na ye ni yepa. Na pede esefata. Na gya se obu kompo. Se ka me ye we na manyo no. Twa no so. Ene mamenya ha na ye ne esefata. Na ka che on say I will make room for today to become better than what I was yesterday. Maybe kwan na ma ye de esefata ene esen de enra etwa mu no. Me de so ani edimu esen ne etwa mu ko e. So be wo ho. Be da se. Wa Japan dia nyame emane mra mu ma. Se wa bra bo be dimu ne esen nra. Yo me danama da nipa bi we ase e wo Adom TV. Adom me camera osmosis and a bright omo me sound MCR4 and a baby am floor manager and a light am dey adwuma na mada be ma brempom ba ko passe da che hene onyame nhira o na wo a onya akwa so hwe me no wo ne onyame entina